Today, I'm driving through the small town of Cheticamp, right along the Cabot Trail on Cape Breton Island. Cheticamp is a working fishing village that overlooks the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and as you drive through, you feel its charm right away. I pass by restaurants, coffee shops, a grocery store, hotels, and even a gas station. Everything a traveler might need while exploring the Cabot Trail. Fishing boats line the waterfront, colorful houses dot the town, and there's a quiet small town feel that makes Cheticamp stand out. I think Cheticamp is the logical choice for visitors who want to explore Cape Breton Highlands National Park because it's strategically located just minutes from the park's entrance. Speaking of the park, access fees are very reasonable, $9 for a 2-day pass or just $7 if you're over 55. A town that blends convenience, character, and that unmistakable East Coast charm.